Hello ENC 91 students, this is your professor Michael Blumenberg, and the purpose of this video is to introduce you to the coursework that's due for week 5 of the second bi-term semester. So as always, I'm on the Blackboard page and I'm going to click on weekly assignments and the week 5 folder, that's November 9th through the 15th. And as always, I'm going to look at the coursework assignment sheet, and so I'm going to click on the PDF file. And as I do so, it will become necessary to readjust the camera ever so slightly. So let's talk about the things that you have due this week. Readings from Westmore's The Work and Fixing Common Sentence Problems. We're not going to be in the ebook this week. Instead, you're going to be looking at Westmore's The Work, that's pages 49 through 76. You also have an assignment sheet that you're going to be working on that's related to a study guide that I've put together called Fixing Common Sentence Problems. And you are free to review the study guide as you're working through this week's assignments. As far as submitted assignments are concerned, you do have an assignment related to that. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. Please note your due dates for this week for all assignments is no later than 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, November 15th. Please note that carefully as you work. There's one discussion board assignment related to Westmore's The Work. And again, the due date's Sunday, November 15th. We took a little break from that last week, but we'll get back on track this week. And then for the My Writing Lab, the module you're working on this week, and again, we're working generally at a module per week, is punctuation, mechanics, and spelling. So that's what we're looking at for this week. So I'm going to go back to the week 5 folder. And I'm going to pull up the study guide, and it's going to be very small print because it's a PDF file here. But basically the study guide is really key because it's going to walk you through such problems as run-on sentences. It's going to show you how to use conjunctive adverbs. It's going to show you how to fix comma splices. And you fix them basically the same way as you fix a run-on. And then it's going to show you what sentence fragments are and how you can fix them. And so I want you to look over that carefully. That will help you, again, with the assignment. So going back to week 5. The actual assignment sheet is here too as a PDF file. And with the assignment sheet, there are 10 total questions. Each one is worth a half point. Please use complete sentences. So for example, it says number 1, what are fanboys? You would answer by saying fanboys are and giving your answer. Number 3 wants you to fix the run-on in 3 different ways, so please note that. And 4 wants you to create your own sentence, along with number 2 does the same thing. And there is a bonus question also. And there are 2 parts to the bonus. You have to explain what's grammatically wrong with the following sentence, then correct it. It gives you the sentence to work on there. So again, I'll go back. Once you have completed the assignment on your own, presumably Microsoft Word or your writing program, you will click, and once again, I will readjust the camera, so just bear with me. I want to make sure I'm able to get everything in view. Down here, once you're ready, you can click the Browse My Computer option, and that will allow you to pull up your file to attach it. And then down here, once you have it attached, click Submit, and that will allow you to submit your assignment. Please note that the comment box is only for you to leave comments or something you want me to know about the assignment. So I'll go back. Discussion board, again, right down here, direct link, so just click it. And that'll take you into this week's discussion board assignment. Did one too many clicks, so I'll go back. It says, please respond to the following. What does the quote, some folks would literally turn their noses up at our family's choice of cuisine, but for me it was comfort food on page 43, reveal about Moore and his family. Also, what do you think about the believer, Joe Manco? Use examples from the reading to reflect your thoughts related to Manco. Lastly, what are your thoughts regarding Moore's decision to serve in Afghanistan and the lesson of the soldier? So this was a compacted reading, a lot of stuff going on, so I'm asking you to reflect on some of these different questions. Just remember in the directions that in addition to completing your answers and posting them on the discussion board, you need to check back and see how your classmates are doing and post at least one reply of 100 words, or you can reply to several classmates in meeting that 100 word count if you choose to do it that way. So going back again, My Writing Lab learning path down at the bottom, as always, it's a direct link, so I'll click on it. Might have to adjust the camera a little bit just to get all the modules in view. And so again, this week you're working on punctuation, mechanics, and spelling. There are 8 total topics that you're going to try to turn those pencils into stars. Just remember you need to work your recalls and applies in order to take your post-test. And the entire module, of course, is due this week. I think that's it, guys. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email me, but I look forward to seeing how you do on the discussion board this week. And I'll be uploading some updates to your grades this week as we go along as well. Good luck, and take care. Bye-bye.